kakanta ha. Lahat tayo magre-respetuhan ha.
Sige.
Ayan, si tita. Dali. Oh.
Yan o.
Yan o.
Ilang kakanta? Lahat ng kakanta, bibigyan ko.
Langga. Siguro naman, hindi ka naman magkakalat ng tao.
Tayo sika, ito na ang lyrics. Hindi na tayo magkakalat sa Hindi tayo magkakalat. Hindi, ikaw manguna. Kasi malakasan.
Hello.
Ah, yan ah.
Ano unahin? Nakanta. Sige.
Oh, sandali. Bago lang, palakpakan muna. Palakpakan.
Merry Christmas everyone.
Yun. Yun.
Love is forever. Charot.
Bigyan silang ka.
Special gift anytime.
It's that time always when good prayers are dear and just wishes could be more than just presents from a store.
Why? Everybody!
Give love on Christmas Day. Every time in a everything would be so happy if you would free.
Give love on
Christmas Day, Christmas Day. The dearer gift is there than love.
the love given up.
People you don't know, silence not hello. Everywhere there's an air of Christmas dawn. It's that time of year when the world seems still, and you'd like to find a way to show the distance words can say.
Why don't you give love on
Christmas Day.
Christmas Day?
Oh, I'm in the rain and the sky who's this. All I need is tears and tears.
Oh, ibang lyrics yan ha, ibang lyrics. Yan ka na naman. Gumagawa ka na sarili mo lyrics.
This is love. Yes, the world is love. Why don't you give love on Christmas Day?
Christmas Day!
Every little child on Santa's knee was a baby day.
Oh, gumagawa ka na naman eh.
Christmas Day.
Nagka-Chinese ka eh. Oh, nagka-Chinese. Why don't you
Give love on Christmas Day.
Christmas Day?
No greater gift
Tapos na.
is there than love.
Yay! Woo! Patawad! Patawad! Huwag nyo matulog, magpatulog kayo! Kita oh. Langga ano yan? Russian o Chinese? Russian o Chinese?
Kay sigla ng gabi, ang lahat ay kay saya. Nagluto ang ating ng manok at tinula.
Nagluto ang atin ng tinula. Ga? Ano yan? Russian?
ng gabi ng lahat ay kay saya. Nagluto ang ate ng manok at
Tinula!
sa bahay ng kuya ay mayroong lechonan pa. Ang bawat may handa ang iba't iba. Tayo na giliw at salo na tayo. Meron na
tayo
tinapay at keso.
at
Di ba noche buena sa gabi ito at bawas kaya ng Pasko.
Yay!
Muna naman o kay tunay ng
Ng araw.
Paskong nagdaan, tila ba kailan lang?
The choir!
Ngayon ay Pasko, dapat ay pasalamatan. Ngayon ay Pasko, tayo ay mag-awitan. Pasko!
Paksiw!
Pasko!
Paksiw!
Pasko na! Ang ating pinakaminiti. Pasko!
Paksiw!
Pasko!
Paskiw!
Pasko na muli ang
Pag-ibig na hari.
sa may bahay ang aming bate.
Eh, natutulog din ay!
Christmas na walang hati.
Natutulog ang asawa ko!
Pag-ibig na siyang naghari. Araw-araw ay Pasko lagi. Ang sanhi ng pagprito
Sabi ko siya, may sarili kang lyrics eh.
ng aking alto. Kung sakali may presyo,
May sarili lyrics to eh.
sabi ko ay Pasko. Bilis na bitat. Ay, ulit. Tayo.
Nagulat, umulit, napapagod daw siya eh. Nagulat, bakit daw ulit, napapagod daw siya.
Feliz Navidad.
Cha-cha-cha!
Feliz Navidad. Charararara.
Dinis magiba!
Feliz Navidad.
Bilis magiba!
Feliz Navidad. La 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 la.
Bilis magiba!
La 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 la. Feliz Navidad. Anyo, anyo,
Ano?
felicidad.
Anyo, anyo.
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas.
Woo!
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas.
Woo!
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.
Dilis magiba! Dilis nagiba! Dilis!
Navidad, Prospero año, felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
Langga, kinakatok tayo ng security.
Feliz Navidad.
Yung guard, dyan ka na yung guard.
Prospero año, felicidad. I wanna
Wish you a Merry Christmas.
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a
Ginagabayan ka na kasi may sarili kang lyrics eh.
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.
Yay! Oh, ang galing! Ang galing naman!
Kampanang simbahan.
Ano daw? Paki-translate! Nasaan yung translator ng Google? Translator, please!
Hati tayo yung dalawa.
Ga, ako may ang ga. Oo. Girls and boys selling lanterns on the streets. I remember the child.
I remember us asleep.
Kaya na, bali na lang.
People giving gift, exchanging cards. I believe that Christmas is truly in their heart.
Down, down.
Let's light our Christmas trees.
For a bright tomorrow, our nations are at peace, and all that one in God.
Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. This season never will forgive the love we have for Jesus. Let it be the one to guide us as the New Year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts. Every praise and every song that
Unity unites, celebrating the birth of our Savior. Savior Christmas.
Christmas morn, let us back
To the angel, and Christ the child was born. So come, let us rejoice and sing a Christmas carol. Big one, big joyful voice, of great the name of the Lord. Let's sing Merry Christmas
and a happy holiday. This season never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let it be the one to guide us.
Tour guide us.
Another New Year starts, and may the spirit of Christmas be always in our heart.
O, hindi pa tapos. O, isa pa.
Happy holiday. This season never forgive the love we have for Jesus. Let it be the one to guide us as another New Year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always
In our heart. Oh, Merry Christmas. Ang galing pala ni Tita mag-gitara eh. Rock and roll tayo. Oh, di ba?
the world.
Sabi mo, Tita?
Pogi ka ngayon.
Wow.
Ganyan nakatawan mo.
Wow!
Siya mas okay kung ganito katawan.
Oh,
Oh.
ganun ba?
Yes.
Ginoong.
Cute naman ni Athena.
Yan ka. Ano mo, chicken.
Mahal na mahal yan. Mahal na mahal. Oo, di ba? Mahal na mahal yan.
Parang inaantok pa si Athena. Go naman, Athena.
Luwa ba kami lahat, ga? Yun na yan?
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I love you, Ingusan family.
naman ni Athena.
Ayun! Galing!
Ayan o.
I called you right away. No, please don't say you were here. What I say. Oh, love me like
Yun!
the first time again. Let's pretend.
Yun!
Last night.
Mamaya si Grace naman yan.
Si Claro naman ha, sa si Grace mamaya. Love me like the first time and go. Napakasakit naman yan. Love me like the first time and go.
Is it my imagination? Are you lonely? Well, I'm sorry, but the time you sounded sad. I'm not trying to start a fire again. Please listen. If you are free and on tomorrow, the next day, who knows when? For the last time, can we say goodbye?
Mamaya, ayusin natin.
Friends, oh, love me like the first time again. Let's pretend. Let's oh, Lord, last night, just hold me in the way you used to do. You know, love me like
Hindi, bumawi niya kasi sumablay nung isang tangke.
Oh!
love me like the first time again. Let's pretend that it's never gonna end. Go on last night, just hold me in the ways to do. You know, love me like the first time and go.
Oh, yay!
Thank you so much.
Oh, kiss away hug. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I hope na-entertain si Kuya Boye. Thank you, Araneta.
You found a light in me that I couldn't find. So when I won't forget
Yan, sarap. Yan, may halya yan.
Pero blended.
when the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Lovers in the night always hard to write.
Yun ang mga singer ng grupo eh.
Susunod si Mami Tess. Mami Tess. Mami Tess na susunod.
Magaling din yan.
representative ko si Ga. Nagkalat ka lang.
Sabi ni Mama Tos, naku, nagkalat yan.
Alis ka na yun sa harapan ko. Ang hirap kasi sumabay sa live. Basta malis ka naman, ang galing kumanta. Kaya mo yan.
Let the rain
fall down upon her. She's a free and gentle flower growing wild.
Sabi pa, stretches.
And if by chance I should hold her, let me hold it for a time. But if allowed just one possession, I would pick her from the garden.
Dapat kay ayan ang uso ngayong ano, dapat magkaroon na rin tayo ng ganyan, yung maliit.
Ganyan sila, Ate Shirley.
Doon na binubuksan yung ano.
Oo, alam mo. Di ba?
Dati kong trabaho yun.
Eh, yung may batya, palitan ng sabon. Pucha, grabe yan. Pag sinabi,
be someone better, you can grow into something new. I could be anything that I set my mind to. I do what I need, I can push right through. Fight through those things that are holding me back from the life that I like to have. I'm like, give me time, I'll be just fine. You thought I was worth leaving behind? You're out of your mind. I'll come back better than ever, no matter the weather. Greater than I've ever been, that's my new